Now let's quickly move on to the next session. It's on the developing web applications by Mr. Chaitanya. Mr. Chaitanya is a almost 12 plus year experienced IT professional. Chaitanya is a regular speaker at various conferences like Oracle Develop, Oracle Cloud World, OOW, OT developers, and all. And here it is. The floor is all yours, Mr. Chaitanya. Thanks.
Thank you so much, ICTACT, and thank you so much, Panimalar Management. Can I have a hand mic if possible? I don't need to tell. Will you be able to control it? Yeah, go ahead. I just give a sign. Please change the slides. Thank you so much for joining the session today, and very happy to see you in Chennai. Ellarku vanakkam. Thank you so much. All right. So I'm not going to talk something too technical, nor am I going to be completely non-technical, but I'll just try myself to put myself into ease, because I'm really very tense to see so much of crowd. At 2,000 plus, amazing. So a big hand to all of you, first of all, a big hand. All right. That's nice. You're still awake, and you have listened very carefully the previous sessions. And my session is actually kind of a follow-up from what Vikas has just explained. Hi, Vikas. So basically, Vikas has something called as responsive in his slides and something called as web applications. So I'm going to talk to you something how to build such type of web applications using a technology called Application Express. Slide. Okay. The topic that I thought is web application development, but I thought Application Express overview would be very well apt, so that I will at least try to introduce the technology to you. So that my main intention behind this session today is you guys should go home, just Google for Application Express, get into a site called apex.oracle.com, sign up for something called as a workspace, and start learning something. That's the main agenda for me today. Next slide. Okay, and this is a very old picture of me. That was actually when my son was just 3 months old. So I was very tired, tensed, sessions, work, a lot of things. Okay, so that shows, and you see me now. So I've put on a lot of weight. All right. So my name is Chaitanya, and I work for Oracle as a principal product manager. I work for a tool called as Oracle Application Express. So how many of you here know about Oracle and what Oracle does? Just say something. What does Oracle does? What's Oracle's main business? Panimala students at least. Exactly. So database. So why Chaitanya here is today to talk to you about database and database technology. All right. So I work for database technology. I'm part of a group called Development Tools, and I deal with a product called Application Express. In my role, in my day-to-day business, I generally talk to a lot of clients, customers. So I come across a lot of developers also. In fact, fresh graduates like you who would be coming out from college and writing your exams and taking your off-campus trainings and interviews and things like that, and some of you get placed in good companies also. So once you get placed into the companies, you would start building something, learning some new technologies, and then you start building something called as applications. So I'm sure most of you here know that your brothers and sisters, your cousins, uncles, aunts, and all who are working in IT keep talking about something called as projects every time, isn't it? Exactly, right? So he went somewhere on site on a project, he's doing XYZ project and all. So basically, most of them would be involved in building something or other called as applications, or what we technically call as business applications. Why should you know about Oracle? Why you should know? You have given me an answer already that Oracle is a database company. Not just a database company, Oracle deals with a lot of technologies now. It is #1 in leading technologies leading technical assignments, projects, consulting projects, lot of things in fact. And Oracle does business with lot of industry segments. Call it as education and research, aerospace, engineering, electricals, defense, you call whatever it is. Oracle has its business across different industry segments across the globe. So as part of this business, Oracle's main aim is to spread something called as technical knowledge or technical adaptability, so that people or end users should be able to utilize the technology easily and in a very comfortable fashion. So today my job here is to spread that technology to you, make you to understand that there is something called as Oracle Application Express, which the student community across the globe is using extensively. So Panimalar and other college students, whoever they are present here, going back home, if someone asks you what is Oracle Application Express, you should be able to tell what exactly it is. It is basically a tool which you use to build a web application. Now, Vikas has just explained what a web application is all about. I'm sure in the holidays recently, you would have traveled to your hometowns, isn't it? So you used something called as redbus.in, or you booked some tickets online. You do a lot of online stuff. You buy a lot of things online. You purchase a lot of things from, stores like Amazon, right? So whatever you do here, you're basically trying to utilize an application, which is basically a web application. In short, a web application is an application which you use using a browser. It is rendered using a browser. So Application Express is basically, next slide please. Application Express, next slide. Application Express is basically a database application development tool, a web application development tool. You might ask me, then why Oracle is into this web application development at all? The main reason here is that, as someone said, applications keep coming and going, but what remains end of the day is data. You know that data is stored in form of tables in the databases, right? So this data can be accessed, it can be projected, it can be accessed, and it can be stored using something called as an application, and that is what is called as an Application Express application. Next slide. So to use Oracle database, to query Oracle database, you use something called as SQL, that is structured query language, isn't it? Next slide. Next slide. We have done a lot of innovations in database technology in the past few years, and now currently we are doing something called as cloud technology development. So as part of that, the technology evolvement, the end user friendliness also is given a lot of importance. Now, how many of you here know that there is something called as PLSQL? Can you just raise your hands? Not bad, not bad. Almost like half of the auditorium knows PLSQL. Okay. All right, thank you. So that is very easy for me now to continue. Okay. So using SQL and PLSQL, basically you develop something called as an application, and that application is what you're typically calling it as a business application. Slides, please. Slides. Please focus on slides, please. Okay. What is SQL actually? Why should you use basically SQL? Basically SQL, you use it to store data, to capture data, and to retrieve data. And that is the main purpose of using SQL. And SQL is basically the database language. So in short, you just used SQL and PLSQL to create a database application and run them. Applications can be of any type. I think you should focus on slides, please. Excuse me. I can operate myself. So what exactly is this technology in short? Because I'm just going to wind up in a few minutes. I really have short time. I can't even demo, okay? What exactly this tool does is it's basically a reporting tool. That's what someone says. But in general, if you look at from a broad perspective, Application Express is a database development tool. So tomorrow when you're going out of your college, you need to have certain technical skills for you to get into your job market, isn't it? You might want to know some of the technologies like Java. You might want to know some of the technologies called Oracle database. You should also be knowing something called as SQL, PLSQL, right? So a lot of new technologies, new languages are emerging in a day-to-day basis. But if someone would focus on a particular technology, for example, as I'm talking now about Application Express, trust me, this is being widely used across the globe, across the universities. A couple of months ago, I was in a different university in India, and I was surprised to see that the students with just a week's training are ready and be able to develop applications which they could in fact do some consulting job to the external consultants, to the external consulting companies. So that's the user friendliness and easy to use Application Express. All you need to know is basically SQL and PLSQL, basic database language. By just going through the UI, you should be able to quickly build an application in just a couple of hours. So next slide. And do remember that with Application Express, you don't need something called as a client or a server or whatever it is. All you need to have is a simple browser and just internet connectivity. For example, we have something called as apex.oracle.com, which is a demo site that we provide to colleges, institutions, students like you, who can just sign up for a workspace there, build some tables. On top of tables, they insert some data, and based on the tables that they have, they can build applications which can be fully functional. And trust me, the whole thing will just take you a couple of hours or a maximum of a couple of days. What type of applications you can build? I was talking to the students from Panimalar College yesterday.